have a website, a blog, and a newsletter, and a number of social media profiles. But what I feel as my online home is my blog. The reason is it's the most versatile platform. Once you start going in more depth in using a number of products, you can get a bigger picture and start seeing how these products can work together. They can integrate, share data, and so on. And so you get a better idea of how the whole ecosystem can help you get more done. Well, my newsletter in a way is a byproduct of my effort for keeping up to date with the Google ecosystem. I said earlier that I read a lot about Google and technology. And so I thought I could share what I read with others who are potentially interested. Surprisingly, there's no newsletter that covers all of Google with a practical angle, and the one I'm most interested in because of my own experimentation and because of what I read. So I thought this would be a unique resource to share with others and a useful tool. So I started this newsletter.